Hello guys, welcome to MTL Box Breaks. So it is Tuesday the 1st of August and it's 4:52 Pacific time and 7:52 Eastern. Alright, so this is break number 5. 12 spots were sold. I have already prepared a list of the teams that will be randomized. I asked you guys to choose a spot because I didn't want to randomize the buyers. But now I have 2 buyers that didn't choose spots, so I will randomize those spots. And if by any chance you end up in a spot that was sold, I'm gonna just move you down 1 spot, so that will be your spot. Alright, so let's do the buyers first. So I will randomize 3 times and I will also randomize the teams 3 times. Alright, so let's go for 1, 2 and 3. So spot number 19 and 28, I think. Let me see. Number 19, I think it's sold. I have the list here. Number 19. Oh no, it's still available. Alright, so Stone Sports Cards. You have 19, so you'll get 19 here. You see 19. So this is your spot here, 19. But that's not your team. I'm gonna randomize the teams also. And Home Site Honey also didn't choose a team, but I think spot number 28 is not sold. So let's go see here. Spot number 28 is not sold. Alright, so that's perfect. I didn't have to move anybody. Alright, so let's do the teams. I have already prepared a list here with the 30 teams. So let's go for, I will randomize 3 times. So let's go for 1. Dallas is first and Detroit is last. 2. San Jose is first and Boston is last. And your teams will be these ones. So let's copy this list. Here. All right. All right, so this is how it's gonna go. So spot number 1, there's nobody. America 29, you choose spot number 3, so you get the Winnipeg Jets. Mark Iceman Lachance choose spot number 5, so you get Florida Panthers. Stefania 2017, Columbus Blue Jackets. Mark Iceman Lachance, Vancouver. Colorado Avalanche for Duckhunter. San Jose Sharks for Stefania 2017. Washington Capitals for America 29. Tampa Bay Lightning for Stone Sports Cards. Calgary Flames for Royal Lego. And Nashville Predators Home Site Honey. And Ottawa Senators America 29 and Anaheim Ducks. I guess Duck Hunter, he probably collects Anaheim Ducks cards. So here are the two boxes. Let me just check the serial numbers, make sure that everything is. So we have here, it ends by 4094 and 4090. So here we have one 4094, and here we have the other one 4090. So let's begin with this one. Alright, so good luck everyone. Oh, open the box on the wrong side. Take back. Let's hope we get some good hits in here. Alright, so first hit, Kevin Shattenkirk for the St. Louis Blues. Nikolai Goldobin for the San Jose Sharks, authentic rookie. Connor Hellebuyck, draft day for the Winnipeg Jets. For the Columbus Blue Jackets, Nick Foligno, numbered out of 35, really nice patch. And for the Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf, All-Star Skill Relics, numbered out of 49. Alright, so let's do the second box. I think this side's better. A thinner pack. Let's see what we get here. Alright, so the first hit, Dustin Brown, NHL Stadium Series Relics, numbered out of 125. For the LA Kings, of course. For the New York Rangers, Ryan McDonough. This one's not numbered. Excuse me, authentic autograph rookie for the Winnipeg Jets, Nikolai Heller. Nice hit for Winnipeg. Rookie Phenom Relics, number out of 49, Artemi Panarin. And the last card of this break for the Colorado Avalanche, Mikko Rantanen, numbered out of 399. Alright, so that's it for this break. Thank you very much for joining and hope to see you again. I'll just show you the cards fast. So Mikko Rantanen, Artemi Panarin, Nikolai Hiller, Ryan McDonough, Dustin Brown, Ryan Getzlaf, Nick Foligno, Connor Hellebuyck, Nikolai Goldobin, and Kevin Shattenkirk. Thank you very much. Hope you got good hits and hope to see you on next breaks.